Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to be working on writing sentences again. And as you remember last week, we were kind of working on the difference between identifying complete sentences and fragments. So today we're going to keep building on that and practice how to write complete sentences and just and some different ways to do that. Okay, so this is called Unscrambling to Imitate, and you're going to see a sentence below. And we want to try to imitate the way the author writes. Okay, so you're going to read the model and notice the way the writer has arranged the parts of the sentence. Unscramble the sentence parts to imitate the model, right? Then write your own sentence to imitate the model. So I want to look at this model sentence. And it says, "When I awoke, there were snowflakes on my eyes." Okay, so now I want to take these parts. This is a sentence again, but it's been broken into parts. Okay, and now I want to try to imitate the way this sentence was written. So I have three choices here, and I see the author starts his sentence with "when I awoke," right? So like the action is happening, or this is when, the main part, and then there were snowflakes on my eyes. Okay, so I need to decide, would I start my sentence with "in the sky, there was a rainbow after the rain stopped." Okay. And I think I'm going to start with "after the rain stopped," boys and girls, because that to me is similar to the first way that the model sentence is written. And it says, "when I awoke." So after the rain stopped, comma, because I noticed the author put a comma here too, there were snowflakes on my eyes. Now I have "there was a rainbow in the sky." So I could say after the rain stopped, in the sky there was a rainbow. Or after the rain stopped, there was a rainbow in the sky. Okay. I think, and I notice this author used "there," so I'm going to do the same thing. After the rain stopped, there was a rainbow. Now I'll take this next part, "in the sky" and "in the sky." Okay. So I think that imitates the model, right? After the rain stopped, there was a rainbow in the sky. And it flows very nicely because I can imagine this, like it stops raining outside and then there was a rainbow in the sky, versus me saying "in the sky, there was a rainbow after the rain stopped." Okay. All right. So do you see how I kind of took these three parts to imitate or copy how the author wrote his sentence here? Okay. And then the last part, you are going to try and write your own sentence, coming up with any ideas you want. Okay. And then once you're done, you will do the same thing for part two. You'll unscramble this sentence right here while trying to imitate what Scott Odell does in his sentence. And then you will try to write your own sentence imitating the same thing. Okay. So good luck with this lesson today. I can't wait to see all the great sentences you guys come up with. And as always, just try your best. And again, try to imitate how these authors are using these words to write great sentences. Thanks, boys and girls.